Welcome to another episode of Philly and the Brain Walks. Y'all know what we say, move it or lose it. And today we choose to move it. We are at Chatuchak Weekend Market. We hanging out with the one and only Doc and Bean. Say what's up, y'all. All right, time for the walk. Let's go.
Yes, peace, man.
Okay, pause. What about you guys? What did you enjoy here?
Hello.
Chicken feet? Oh, I'm loud.
It was mostly for the channel.
I'm laughing because it brings back memories from my hometown. Because that's the type of stuff we grew up around. And it's funny they eat the same stuff.
Because I'm originally from the Caribbean, so I should have had chicken feet.
Island girl.
But no,
So,
no.
chicken feet.
It looked like. It's just too much work.
It's so much work, but it's worth it. Oh my god. Okay, I want a dog.
No. All right, y'all. We are in Chatuchak Weekend Market. We on the interior this time. Told y'all we was coming back for part 2. Thank y'all for liking and subscribing. Remember, sharing is caring. Share this video with somebody you think will enjoy it. Somebody who's on their fitness journey. Maybe they trying to get a little bit of different scenery when they on that treadmill. All right, let's get it.
Do you have a setting thing right now?
For the button lover. All right, this place is like a maze. You will get lost. Just joking. I'm a phone tracker. I got like 17 more left. Get a little lost.
Build it before you can advance. That's just how the process should work, right? So I would start out with he said, considering he came from the consulting implementation background.
Y'all slide back through the inside so I can capture some of the inside market.
I tell you,
Please. Thank you.
and then he's one of those people
I'm tired.
email to the team about everything. everything I was doing.
เต่าก็ห้ามเยี่ยมนะ
He said he worked in the same field that I worked in, where I come from, in the safety side. He didn't know anything. So he was taking it out and telling him that they're going to put it in. And I was like, I'm not doing that because you guys know nothing. And that's another thing I dealt with too the last 7 years, like going trying to figure out how to do it. So right now, the goal is not to go everybody.
Und da habe ich halt schon welche.
Dress shirts, purses.
No, he's just yeah, because over the minutes. Okay, so my chat trying to get him back at work. I forgot what the program was. We're trying to get into something with
Yeah, I'm normally pretty good with directions. I take pride in always knowing where I'm at. I don't know where the hell I'm at right now. It's a maze
You just keep turning and turning and turning and
until you
turning.
hit sunlight.
Oh, talking about my directions.
Nah, we was not talking about the direction.
I think it's like $4,000. We don't have that. Yeah, and that's what we're like with this channel we have now.
Y'all want to go back out into the sun?
We following y'all, yeah. This y'all walk. We just following you.
Like
We are where we're supposed to be.
working toward getting boats, subscribers, and hours. With doing the brainstorm travel and the walk time.
The hustle culture is real in Thailand. Everything you need out in these streets.
Yeah, that's why I told him. I said that. I'm now older.
We working on it.
gotta keep going. You still gotta get the subscribers. Yeah. But if you get 1,000 and get up to 1,000 subscribers and you have more than hours, you really need no more subscribers today.
What's up, brothers? How y'all doing?
1,000 views. The views, what if like every 1,000 views they pay you a certain amount based on
So the work doesn't stop.
No, it only begins. So this is the bathroom situation here at the weekend market. 5 baht to enter. I think it's like 10 or 20 baht for toilet paper. Yeah.
Yeah, they had these things you got here the
We
last
saw those
time.
earlier.
Yeah. It's like a funky.
Oh, those right there.
Those were good. Like, but this, the orange thing is yolk, so you would be able to eat that. But they have the pandan leaves. And pandan. Yeah. We had it yesterday. Good.
Right.
But even the juices are 50. It's
So where y'all at now? It's still more expensive here? All right.
Not every day.
It's easy for y'all. Y'all don't have no dietary restrictions. I see y'all eating, I be like, damn, that look good. I still cook everything.
Yeah.
Because I can cook. That's one of my skills. So my family don't care if I don't eat it or not. They like cooking. And I don't mind. So I still know when something smells and look good. I know it's going to taste good, but I just don't eat the stuff. Like these kebabs was crispy earlier when I walked by. All right, so it's almost, it's about time to get a cold drink. I'm saying some coconut ice cream or pancake, something. All right. And I'm about to run out of a memory card, so this is gonna do it for this walk, y'all. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing. Remember, sharing is caring. All right, y'all know what it is. Until next time, take care of each other, love one another. Peace. Thank you, Doc and Bean, for joining us.
Yeah, I need these in a big size.
Oh,
I need these in a big size.
Yes, I agree. I agree. I need the black ones. I need the black cats. Yeah.
These.
Okay, I gotta go because I'm starting to itch.
Yeah.
Like, so, yeah, I gotta go because I'm starting to itch. Crackhead in the crack house. Gotta go.
Thank you so much.